Here you can see the shaft, very perfect balance. So now it's time to install the pump body. Motor test is complete ready. The shaft very smooth, perfect. It is prohibited to run dry for long, cannot run, but only for the test purpose we run it, and it's perfect now. So it's time to install the upper pump body and we will test into the well. This is the motor body which we tested ready, and here this is the pump body. You can see from 130 volt to 240 volt, 60 hertz.
If I put sensor here, the low and the high sensor is here. So I will observe first how long it would suck up to this one if ever the well dries up. So I put sensor here and sensor here. The more deeper it goes, the more better. So if the water depletes up to here, it automatically shuts down. And then until such time that the water rises again and touches the upper sensor, it starts up again automatically, brother.
Wow, perfect.
Yeah.
So there is no problem of the underwater situation, the water level drop situation, or the overcurrent situation, anything. There are
No
protections we will
because
install.
you put the protection, brother. It's a one box, one set, brother. All in one, I put the protection there. And the other the other one, brother, is, for example, the tank is full. I'm gonna put sensor up there. That one, if it reaches maybe at a sub level of 1 meter, I'll put a sensor in that one, and at the upper sensor. When it reaches the top sensor, the
pump will shut down automatically.
The pump will shut down, and then
What is the height of this tank?
it's 14 meters, brother.
14 meters.
Yeah, from here to there.
And what is the total storage on this tank? The water estimated in the
It's more than 9.8 and 9.8
98,000
98,000
liter it can store. And how about the foundation for the earthquake situation?
It's been it's a big footing, brother, because it was calculated by structural engineers. So the base is concrete. It's 5 meters, 4 meters by 4 meters.
Okay, it's a strong foundation, no problem for the earthquake situation. This submersible pump, how long will fill this tank? This is 98,000 liter tank. How long it will take to fill up?
The specification says it would fill up in 27 hours, but I think it would fill it in maybe less than that, brother. Maybe 16 hours as per experience with this one.
Okay, so 16 hour is already constantly running this pump, no problem.
No problem. Even 72 hours running continuously, brother, no problem.
So what about the protection, for example, because this is a high pressure submersible pump for agriculture or the water supply. So if well is getting dry, it's constantly pulling too much water.
It has many protection, but first this protection, this has a own protection. So if it would pump dry, it would heat up, right? And the thermal sensors would cut. There's a thermal fuse inside. It's like a circuit breaker inside. It would cut. And the second protection is on the board, brother. We make a switch there with the floatless relay. So there is a probe here. That's the sensor. When the water drops at this level, it would automatically stop.
Okay, so it have the two sensor. When the well is dry, it will automatically shut down the power due to the heat.
And the other one is due to the water level.
And also you will install the overflow relays on the tank.
Yeah, it's the same sensor, but you put the sensors in reverse. So on the overflow, we put the lower sensor into the upper sensor and the upper sensor to the lower sensor. Vice versa.
Okay.
That is how it works.
Perfect. Thank you. We complete the wire attachment and the pump is almost ready. This is the pump what we use. Here is the control room, and over there is, this is the well where we will put the pump, and this pipe which is coming from the tank, it will go here in this one.
Taon na?
Oh, abot Malaysia.
Taon na?
Oh,
Okay na.
switch. Rana, Rana.
May timer?
Gawin na.
Whoa!
Tubo.
May doktor na gina. Sakay na natin babaw?